guys, hello. I'm here today to show you a kit that I'm just about to put in my coffee shop. Talk about those in a minute. It's got these snippet rolls, which you saw me make some of on camera. And we have a purple one. And I've cut them down from what they were because they were ridiculously long and just would have been very expensive to post. And to be quite honest, I think that's long enough anyway for, you know, a couple of side pockets, a belly band. You make a lot out of that if you wanted to. So it's in purple, it's in orange, it's in red. I love the red one. It's in neutrals on craft. I like that one too, actually. Really nice. Got mushrooms in that one. And blue. Well, that's just really nice. I just think they're very usable. So that's those. And then it comes with some collage cards, collage strips. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So eight collage strips of that size anyway. And then let's just move those up a little bit. And then also you get these shorter collage strips. They're just great for sticking into a pocket or whatever. And you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. So 2, 4, 6, 8 of the longer ones, 6 of the shorter ones, and 5 of these snippet rolls. So it's quite a nice package. Get you going, get you started on a project, I think. So I do have 2 of them, so we'll just have a quick look at what the other set comprises of. It's all very, very similar. But of course there will be some differences because the snippets and stuff that I used would have been different. So just a quick scooch through this lot. Purple, orange, that's a particularly pretty one. Red, neutral, and blue one. So there's 5 snippet roll pieces, and then the large collage strips. 1, come down a little bit, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, move along the bus, 7, 8, and then the little ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So those are the shorter ones. There's 8 of the larger ones and 5 of the snippet roll pieces. So, nice pack. These measure approximately, let's measure this one, looks about average, 6 inches. And the smaller ones measure about 4. So there you have it, 2 sets. I'll list them both. There's nothing to pick and choose between them, so I'll just put them on one listing, 2 things on one listing. And I really will try and keep the postage down because the postage is just ridiculous, isn't it? So yeah, as you can see, they're all sewn around. Each snippet is sewn around as well. It makes them very interesting. I really like them actually. So there you go. That's what I have to offer you today. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.